Good morning, third graders. Today is September 28th, and we're going to be making an inference. You're going to make an inference, and you're going to use evidence to support your understanding. Inference. What is inferencing? Inferencing is your information from the text and then your background knowledge. The schema is your thinking, what you already know, and that's what the background knowledge is. This is not guessing, because guessing usually you don't have a whole lot of the text evidence, okay? But you are definitely using your background knowledge to come up with an inference. So, for those of you who have already seen the first video, we did a birthday mystery, right? And you were going to help me with finding out what was in my box. Well, remember, we determined that what was in my box was a birthday puppy. We used the text, and the text did not tell us exactly what was in the box. Well, that was inferencing. We ended up with all of these clues. When we made our inference, it was a birthday puppy. You may hear it again as being infer, what you infer about. Inferring, by saying the gift was a new puppy, you were inferring, or make an inference. So again, when we were reading between the lines, when we made our inference and solved the birthday mystery gift, we said what the author didn't tell us. We used what we know, the clues, and light bulb time, we made an inference. So I'm going to practice on 2, and then I'm going to show you exactly what your lesson looks like. Hi. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm ready. I need 2 large cheese and a medium pepperoni. No, thank you. That would be all. Who did I call? Take a moment, think. All right, you guessed it. I called the pizza. I called for pizza. I called the pizza store. Let's do that. Because it says, who did I call? How do you know? Well, remember, I need you guys to underline your proof. First of all, you could call anybody and make an order, right? But right here, no thanks. That would be all. Tells me that when I was ordering 2 large cheese and a medium pepperoni, I called the pizza store. Okay? Now, I made my inference here, and I underlined here. Let's do one more. Hi. I saw a picture of Sam on the stop sign in my neighborhood, and I think I might have found him. Does he have a red collar? Yes. He was playing in the water near my house, and I brought him inside. Who is Sam? Take a moment, think. Sam is a dog. Sam could also be a cat. What happened to Sam? Sam was lost. Now, notice I said Sam is a dog, Sam is a cat, right? Because here's the thing. Does he have a red collar? Tells me that it could be a dog or a cat. Sam is lost. It says, I saw her picture of Sam in the neighborhood. What do you know about signs that are up? Yeah, that they're lost. And so the word is, I might have found him. Tells me Sam was lost. Sam could be either a dog or a cat. So if I make my inference, Sam is a pet, right? Most pets can be a dog or a cat. Okay, so then your turn. Today, you're going to be making an inferences on slides 2 and 3. You would use the text box. So, for example, you were rereading this. You would use the text box to make your inference. You would use the drop down, go to Scribble, and underline your proof as to how do you know. If you have any questions, please Zoom today between 1 and 3, and Ms. Collier will be helping you with anything you need help with your inferencing today. Have a wonderful day.